So some people are saying, well, part of the reason that you're making that much money, return on investment, is because of the big price spikes that happened. Yes, that does take into some of the account, but you got to also realize that trading on highs and lows takes into account too. So let's just examine that for a moment. So I'm actually going to pull open one of the exchanges just to answer this question, and then I'm going to kind of move on because I want to show you guys kind of here's the average rate of returns. But let me pull open one of the exchanges real quick so you could see. I had it open here just a moment. Let me pull it again. I literally stared at this chart. It seems like just years of my life off my life right already. Okay, now I want you guys to take a look at this right here, okay? Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So people are saying, well, some of this is the price spike that taken into account. Absolutely correct. Now here's my experience, and this is kind of how it worked. So I got in, and this you can see the dates right here. I got in way back here, way back here. Okay, way back here. So it was even further back here actually. See, let's see the spikes. Right. It was right in here, a little bit further. Okay, so it was like 50 bucks, a little over $50, okay? Now what happened is you see these jumps, okay? So it was 50 bucks, and then it went all the way up within a couple of days. It went all the way up here to 138, then all the way up here to 220 something. Now, I luckily at the time, I wasn't trading with the automated software because we didn't have it yet. I sold right up here around 200. Then boom, see that crashed all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so then I bought a bunch of them down here, right at the bottom. Luckily, I bought right at the bottom, and it jumped back up there. So for an initial $10,000 investment, I had over doubled my money and then some, and more like quadrupled my money. Okay, then I bought in again low with all that extra profit, and it jumped back up to here. I sold again, jumped up here, sold again, and boom, all of a sudden I'm sitting on over 6 figures of realized profit at that time. That's how it works. So regardless of whether Bitcoin's going up the entire time, the way the bot works is it rides these waves as well. And you actually want to have big rises and big falls with this bot in order to make a good amount of money with even a modest investment. So that's kind of how that works, okay? So you want to have these big swings. Now, it's always good if Bitcoin's always going up, you're always making money, which is good. In theory, because it's going to sell on the next time it's going down. So your investment's always gaining in equity, which is very cool. But you want to have those big crashes because your bot's going to sell you out high, go down low, take money, and put it back in there. Now, you can do stop losses. People are saying, so can you do stop losses? Absolutely, you can do stop losses, but you don't want to very much unless you're professional. In fact, you look at this. I started this webinar, Bitcoin was at 829. Right now it's at 853. Okay, 853. So it's gone up $25 since I started this webinar an hour ago. All right? So that's the way it works. So, I mean, you want to have these ups and downs, as people are asking me. In fact, the more ups and downs, the better. Even if you have $100 in there or not, that's how you make the most amount of money is through these big swings. So I'm always looking for the big swings, and I'm letting the bot do it for me. I don't have to worry about it. I can't anticipate all these swings the way it happens. The news makes a big announcement. Everybody freaks out and sells, and the market crashes for a few minutes or for a couple of days or for a week. And then, you can never anticipate that sort of stuff. What's cool about it is the bot will be able to read the trends and follow a long-term trading strategy. And that's what it is. This is a long-term trading strategy type bot. All right? So let me show you. Somebody says, can you owe more than you